In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop sharing location on an iPhone without them knowing. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started. And the first step, open up setting. Then tap right here at the very top at your name to get to your Apple ID setting. Then tap at Find My. And that's where we can easily find Share My feature. We can stop sharing our location by turning off that feature just like that. Just tap at this toggle to turn it on and to turn it off. However, if you would like to temporarily stop sharing your location without turning off that feature, you can easily do so. To do that, we need just to turn on airplane mode. We can just stop at this toggle. And what that will do, that will stop all that network connections for the particular devices. You can see if we turn it off, we'll be able to search for Wi-Fi networks. We can connect to Wi-Fi, however, if we turn it on, it will disconnect us from Wi-Fi from our cellular network connection, and it will temporarily stop all the location services. Once you turn it off, you will be able to connect to Wi-Fi and cellular networks again. And once it is turned off, your family will be able to track your current location. You can turn on or off airplane mode from the control center. Just swipe down from the top right corner and then tap at that icon to turn it on, and then to turn it off, you need to tap here on one more time. That's how you can easily stop sharing location on an iPhone without them knowing. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.